Ooh, you can tell already right now this is gonna be a good blend. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So I have another unit from Unice Hair. Unice Hair brought their A game with all of the goodies that came in this package. You'll see it as we get into this video, but they hooked your girl up. This unit is so sleek. It's giving me an Aaliyah vibe, but you know, I added some touches. If you know, you know. And this hair just feels amazing. If you want to see how I got this look and you want to know all the pros and cons and everything about this unit before you buy, please keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. While you're here, you might as well. Okay, first order of business before we get into anything else, we need to get into this bougie robe that Unice sent. They are up in the goodies that come with your stuff. They sent me the, you know, the usual package of supplies and lashes, and they also sent me a little elastic band with the Velcro in the back. Love those, makes my life easier. So anyways, I'm starting off by taking off the U part that I already had on. It was a kinky straight one. I'll link that video if you want to check that out too. But yeah, I'm taking that off and I'm gonna get into this new one. I had just washed my hair, so I didn't really need to do anything else, but I am gonna start by changing my part because with this V part that they sent me, I wanted to do a side part. So I start out by just sectioning out the hair that I want to use. If you have thinner hair, you're going to want probably a little bit more hair out. If you have thicker hair, you're probably going to want less out. I have thicker hair, so I try to leave thinner layers of hair out, enough to cover the track, but not too much to where it's going to be bulky, because the U part that I'm working with today, and you'll see it in a second, is of a silkier texture, and I have a kinky textured hair. So that's why I'm starting out by using my hot comb, because mainly for the roots, but I also wanted to preheat the hair is a good way to put it. But I wanted to do that because, like I said, this hair is silky. My hair is not silky, so I want this to match up as well as it possibly can and blend in. So I'm going to have to go in. Now, don't mind the steam you see coming off. This thing is just old. I actually don't have it up that high because I do still plan on using my flat iron, and I don't plan on burning my hair. Pro tip for trying to get kinkier hair on the silkier straight side: go slow with your heat tools. Not too slow, but you definitely want to move through it slowly so all the heat can get through your hair. That I just pressed out already look kind of silky like that is because I went slow. So here is the V part that I have for you guys. It does have combs all the way through the perimeter and the clip-in combs around the part and a comb in the back. It also does have adjustable straps as well, so you can adjust it to fit your head the way that you need to. This is my favorite part. This is why I love V parts and U part wigs, because you can just snap it on and go. Now, again, if you have weaker hair, if you have thinner hair, I would suggest doing some anchor braids. I've been asked that question a few times before, like, should you do braids or what should you do if you feel like the clips kind of tug on your hair? Definitely do some anchor braids. I have like pretty much every hair follicle on my head full of hair, so I don't worry too much about that, but if I did, I would do it that way. Ooh, you can tell already right now this is gonna be a good blend. So I do want to note with this, if you put your combs in a position and it feels uncomfortable, change the position. I play around with where my combs are positioned all the time until it's in a comfortable spot. Don't just leave it hurting. Don't do that to yourself. But back to this blend though, do y'all see that? So now I have my flat iron on, and I don't have it, I have it on, I believe 410, or maybe it was 390. Mine has weird numbers to it, but I didn't have it up super, super high, but I wanted it enough to blend my hair out. And again, going slow with this so that it will, you know, blend my hair the best. This is probably the best I've actually ever had my real hair blend in with a silky textured hair. Now, I do owe a little bit to the fact that I do have a tech slacks. So that helps a little bit, but regardless, like even with a tech slacks, my hair has never blended this well with the silky textured hair. So of course, you know, I'm pulling out my wax stick, and that is to help the hair to be weighed down and blend into the wig. It also helped me to lay my edges and all that good stuff and lay the hair down, everything. And when it comes to finishing touches on blending, I like a bristle brush. Combs are cute, regular brushes are cute, but when it comes to stuff like this, I need that bristle brush. It gets the job done. Now, cons wise, I didn't like that the clips kind of gave me a little bit of hump action at the top. It's not super noticeable, but I did peep. But that can be changed by cutting out the combs and just sewing that down if you really didn't like it. Of course, if you know, I added some layers. I always be adding layers to things, but I wanted to add like a hard, choppy layer to this. Give it kind of that 90s Aaliyah vibe and also bump it under. I feel like when you do this, you should definitely like just bump it under and then trim it down as you see fit to really get this right. Because that's what all I did was keep bumping it under and cutting it off. And that's how it came out. It came out super cute. Love the density of this. It's very, very natural. It's not a super thick wig, but it does look very natural. And the blend on point. It's giving silk press. I'm going to say it again. Like, Unice did their thing. So if you're interested, I will have all the details down in the bottom. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.